Ngarang January mangada Bisnupur district ki manung chanba Saiton Nganu Konda bom pokai henduna micham asok apan nanghan kiba thogdok thokphamda Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol akoijamna ngasi hak thengnana chatuna yengsinkhre illegal oina thamliba buffer zone sing Lokthokadabani security ne yom lagalaiba mafamda asigumba thogdok thokan bahaibasi lengak sole takpani Ind-Kuki amasung Manipur Man-Meitei Haina center na Manipur khaidokliba asi lepkadabani haina MP na pendaba fongdoki MP Angomcha Bimol akoijam nangasi Saiton hayai kon hek yaubaga ngarangi thogdokpu yaningdaba fongdoktuna mafam aduda wakat mifam phamlamba miyamga unaduna wari sanaki makatana ngarangi bom pokhai kiba mafam adu tamna khongna changsinki adubu Rapid Action Force RAF ki makok thongba official sing yauna security force singna hayai kon amadi nganu kon gi tainabada sabat thong yaurakpada MP bu makatana changba thinki Mahag India gi constitution pairaga wasaktuna parliament famduna MP na mafam aduda mathau tauriba RAF ki officer singda haikibada leipak asigi law sembada yauriba mioi amani mahak changba yade hairiba mafam asida India gi flag yungduna buffer zone haina thamlibasi Ind-Kuki amadi Manipur Man-Meitei haina border khairibra India ki MP oiriba amana mafam masida changba yadribasi Manipur asi India ki manung chandrabra haina hanki MP na haiki bada RAF amadi mathau toriba professional security personnel singdadi sounding de adubu makoida masima tau haina yathang piriba Home Minister Amit Shah amadi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na masigi afapattagi tekchak pugadabani haiki MP ki khongchat aduda singjamai AC gi PCC member Oinam Roman Kumbi AC gi hanagi INC candidate Dr. KH Romets Kurai AC gi PCC gi member Okensu Loinaki
For some politicians and some policy of the government of India. This is where the border of India begins, India with Kukis, and this side is Meiteis and Manipur state. This is like a border. In har jagah pe aise buffer zone bana ke rakha hua hai, as if this is between Pakistan and India. इस देश में काफी घटना हुआ, राइट्स हुआ, मुस्लिम्स और हिंदू के बीच में भी मारपीट बहुत हुआ है इस देश में, लेकिन इस तरह का बफर जोन किसी जगह पे नहीं बना। I show a shame of myself to sit in that house as a member of parliament. This is Manipur, where Manipur police works, where MP like me from Manipur can walk freely. Here I cannot walk freely, despite the huge presence of security forces, and the rest of the country can't sleep like this. The more people feel alienated and they take a decision, don't call people of Manipur as anti-Indian. You're working against the constitution itself. I'm a member of parliament. I cannot move freely this side. These are all our troops. I am also protected by CRPF. मेरा सुरक्षा CRPF से है मैं, क्योंकि मैं MP हूँ इस देश का. मेरा खुद के स्टेट में I can't go, and this should be remembered. And I'm just talking to you because some people sitting in Delhi will not understand this feeling and issue Manipur as if it doesn't exist. Let's not do this drama. Finish this buffer zone. Whoever responsible, Mr. Amit Shah, you must understand this. Whether Modi ji should also understand this. You are dividing this place, my own home state, by putting this illegal buffer zone. And I'm sending this message to the rest of the country.